welcome once again to my channel. In this video I share with you how to prepare smoked chicken ogbono soup. Super delicious and simple to make. Do you know how to make it? Keep watching as I share this with you and let's dive into it. So first I have my smoked chicken already. This is what it looks like. Keep watching as I prepare this soup. So I also have other ingredients. I have my palm oil, oza leaf, chopped onions, my grounded crayfish or blended crayfish, salt, some brown cow skin. I have yellow pepper seasoning and smoked fish. So first I would like to cut the smoked chicken into smaller size. You could use knife, but this chicken is so soft, so I just use my hand to cut them into the pieces that I want and set aside everyone. Keep watching, don't go away. So after I cut this, I set it aside, and here is my blended ogbono seed. Next, in a clean pot, I add my cow skin and the brown cow skin and white one. Add chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dried chili pepper, blended one, and enough water to allow it to cook. This is not beef, it does not moisture. So after I allow it to cook for 10 minutes, I add 1 liter of water and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. And after that, I add 3 tablespoons full of crayfish and my smoked fish and allow it to cook for another 20 minutes on a high flame. While that is aside, in a clean pot, I add my palm oil and allow it to heat. Once it heats up, I add my blended ogbono seed, as you can see on the screen, and stir until all lumps blend together, and turn off the heat and set it aside. Then after 20 minutes, I added my already cut smoked chicken, everyone. And you know smoked chicken is already cooked, so the next thing I do is to add my already stir-fried ogbono and allow to cook on a medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes, everyone. After I allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes, the next thing is to add my already chopped onions and stir for 2 seconds, and our soup is ready and yummy. It goes with any swallow of your choice. Thanks for watching, and let me know at the comment section. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video, and bye for now.